Greetings, YouTube, and welcome. This is a survival series number 2, the Solar Steel. This is one way that you can go about getting fresh water in the wild. Does not have to be heated up, does not have to be cooked at all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build a hole in the ground. You just dig a hole in the ground. This hole needs to be about maybe 24 to 36 inches wide, 24 to 36 inches deep. I'm not going to dig a hole that deep. This is just for demonstration purposes only. And as you can see, I've got some pretty black earth there, so it ought to be pretty wet. It feels wet to my hands, so I know there's water there to be had. I will dig down and get a little hole here and there's my plastic. I'm going to go ahead and open my plastic up. I'm going to lay it out. Cover the hole with the plastic. Oop, drop your knife. Get my stuff out of the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some of the dirt that I dug out. I'm going to place that dirt around the edge of that hole. And all that does is it just keeps the plastic in place, gives a place for the water to condense back up on. Now what's going to happen in this solar steel is if you build you enough of them, the earth warms up during the day. It heats the water up that's actually in the dirt and in the rocks and what have you. And that water turns into a vapor. It goes up and hits that plastic and recondenses into water. That means it's distilled water. It's clean because it's been distilled. If you're going to be in the woods for 3 or 4 days, you're going to need 3, maybe 4 stills for each day to get enough water to live. The body needs about 8 quarts of water. So all you'll do is just pack that dirt around, get you a bunch of dirt packed around the edges of it, make sure it's nice and secure, make it into like a funnel. You'll want to put a rock in the middle of your funnel that you got going there. You'll also want to put a little cup down in the bottom of it to catch your water right up underneath where the peak of that upside down funnel is. I found a nail in the ground. How about that? Old rusty handmade nail. But you'll see me pack the dirt around and form this solar steel. And like I said, if you're gonna be in the woods for 3 days, you're gonna need 9 or 10 solar stills to collect enough water if there's no water around. And that's really all there is to it, folks. It's a good way to get water. It's a safe way to get water. As you see, I'm going to put a little rock in there and make my funnel. And I'll pack it down, make it to where it's actually going to catch water for me. I thank you for sharing with me. This is Silver Top Flyer, signing off.